Wifed up my chick, gave her the dick. 9 months later, got babies and shit. Babies and shit. Babies and shit. 9 months later, got babies and shit. Birds and bees, wife please me. Now we have a family of 3. Drink more coffee than ever before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sippy cups galore. Yeah, it blows, cleaning snot out her nose with a rubber hose, but it's all worth it. When I hear my baby giggle and wiggle in a jumperoo, babbling stuff like Zuba Zuba Zoo. Drinking apple juice, reading Dr. Seuss, Good Night Moon, go to bed, sleepyhead. Papa in the next room, listening to the Grateful Dead. Family Guy, trying to keep his family fed. Rocking it like Ned Flanders. Cream, get the Pampers. Hot stuff, getting steamy. Brand new diaper genie. Deemy Papa Smurf. Watching my own childhood in reverse. Wifed up my chick, gave her the dick. 9 months later, got babies and shit. Got a daughter in this world. Call me Big Papa, rhyme dropper, Similac copper, chopper, diaper changer, non-stopper, rearranger. Don't talk to strangers, listen to me. Baby on my lap, cool G, busting raps, not caps, making snacks, losing hats, taking naps, running laps, getting up early like military taps. Wifed up my chick, gave her the dick. 9 months later, got babies and shit.
Babies and shit, that's what you get. When you have a baby, you get babies and shit. They shit all day, they shit while they sleeping. They leave you covered in shit while you're cleaning their shit. But they're so cute, in diapers or dresses or in their birthday suit. You can't get mad, just let them play. Shit, I let my kid watch Nick Jr. all day. She on the potty training, I'm on the wiping. She drops a deuce and yells swipe or no swiping. She's in the park, she riding her bike. She got training wheels even though it's a trike. And so what? You gonna try to object? Watch the helicopter blades I use to overprotect her. Respect her, genuflex sir. I'm the queen and this a Disney princess, right her.
Wifed up my chick, gave her the dick. 9 months later, got babies and shit. Baby in a stroller, how I roll her. Be bold, have fun, play nice, I told her. No dice, 3 blind mice, we sing everything childproof. Rockin' in a sound booth. In the days of my youth, I was told what it means to be a man. Now I have to understand, hot damn Pedialyte, tight sound machine and a nightlight. Don't bite your friends, we watch Yo Gabba Gabba till the end. No pity in the city, full throttle, milk bottle. Gotta be a role model, knock down, get back up, we will wobble. Back with a bad back, but never whack, to be exact. Wifed up my chick, gave her the dick. 9 months later, got babies and shit. Babies and shit. Babies and shit. 9 months later, got babies and shit.